I've run into a few little problems which I have to fix up before I can continue on with my deck. And the first problem was when I brought my corner out here, my post was off by about 6-7 inches, so I had to dig it up and slide the base over, and I got it back. I got it in position where I want it. And then the one deck coming across, this one, is a few inches higher than this deck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a chalk line from here, lower it down a few inches, and run it to the end of the deck, and then cut off my posts accordingly. Well, the way my chalk line fell, I just got to trim off the last two posts over there, and it should bring the end of the deck right.